welcome back, family. So we're there one of the places them where a famous food blogger named Mikey Chen, strictly dumplings, big up yourself, recommend in Vegas here. So the place called Los Arcos Birreria, something like that. You see it. So you know, forgive me, I may not pronounce that right, but yeah, me see some of the stuff them when I eat pan it, and some of them tacos and things they will look succulent and juicy and nice. You see me I deal with, so you know, I'm gonna make a Jamaican sample it and see if the flavor up to par. You see me I deal with and give my, you know, my personal review on how things turn out. So I could go in and see what I want. See me? Bless it. Alright, family, so me just get the goodie bag here, get a couple things, and you know, we're gonna bring it back at the hotel and try it because it's kind of small in there, so you know, it's kind of tight, and there's a bunch of people. I don't want to film and make people uncomfortable. That's me I deal with. So we just get like a video of the price sheet and you know some of the stuff them in there, but I'll bring it back on the ends and try it and see what I go and I feel like a little more comfortable in my own little space. You see me? So check back with me in a minute, sample it and see what I go. Bless. Alright, family, so we get back to the hotel here and now me in at the sampling phase. So what we have the chicken quesadilla here over on the corner right there, and then we have the Birreria taco, right? So we sample it and see what I go on. Presentation wise it look good. Now try it before, without the jus or sauce first. Let's see what's good. This Birreria taco is steak, quesadilla chicken. This taco is bomb. Yeah, I think it's the corn tortilla here, or corn taco. It's good, man. I'll try to dip it in at this jus right now and see what's there. The jus right here. Tastes good, man. Well seasoned. Can't complain. So what we're gonna do, I'm kind of digging in now still, off camera. Enjoy the rest of the night. So one love, more love, righteousness. One take a baby, signing out. Best of luck. Alright, family, so we're back here at Los Arcos, at the burrito place we did about 2 nights ago. I don't know if the pictures came as clear because I was doing some of it in the, you know, at night in the hotel room. So may want to get another shot in the day. Plus the food was so good I had to try it again. So you know that was kind of my excuse for come back in, isn't it? So more you guys see what's going on here. What we get here is the same Birreria burrito here with shredded beef. Then we get a couple of chicken tacos, and then we have this massive beef burrito here. I mean, this thing weigh at least a pound, bro, £1.5 pounds. You know, and then we have the jus here. You know, just to kind of make you guys see what I want. And this thing is made with like beef on the inside of it. This thing is bomb, bro. So anyway, I'll drop some of the little spice in it and make you guys see what's going on. Yeah. So I'm gonna grab one of them chicken taco, yeah. Get a little spice on that bad boy. Oh yeah, man. Cheers. On point. This stuff is well seasoned, bro. I can't even front. And this spicy sauce right here, make it all the better. Green sauce kind of tastes better with the chicken to me. Just like they make it with jalapeno. You know, it's a Jamaican love jalapeno. So it's a little small in here, in there, so I'm doing it on the outside, you know. Find that bite. Only thing I wish was probably was a flour tortilla, but hey, can't complain too much. Flavor still good. Yeah, man, so that's why you don't finish this up off camera. Meanwhile, you guys cannot see how the burrito, I mean, look at this thing, man. It looks like a newborn premature baby. This thing is huge. You gotta make a swallow. Oh, no. All that meat and beans and rice and all that messed up in there. Yeah. Sorry, man, I got to do some alone time on this. I'm gonna get down and dirty, you know what I'm saying? Remember to subscribe, like, share. Mantiga baby, signing out. One love.
Instead of searching inside for what they gave him, a strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lives.